Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will check how to create the depreciation tables in Business Central, how we can set up these tables and how we can select this kind of depreciation. So basically when we're talking about depreciation tables, is the kind of the depreciation that will be defined by the user. And then what you can consider here is like if you have some machine that you need to depreciate based on the unit that you produce, and then this is the way that you can go and set up this in a different way. So please let me know if you have any doubt about how to do these depreciation tables and run the depreciation in Business Central. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to clarify any questions that you may have. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can set up this depreciation table, and also we will be able to run the depreciation for one asset and check the result. So let's go to Business Central. So first, let's check when we can set up the depreciation tables. Because when we work with this kind of depreciation, you need first to set up the depreciation table. So you have here the depreciation table. You can create as much you want. And here I create just one example. So let's go through and check how we can do this. So in this case, I create one depreciation that is based in the unit produced. I inform here that my length is by year, and here is the total of units that I am expect to produce with this machine. So this is my total number of units, and then what I did here in terms of setup, I am specified that in the first year I am expect to use more this machine because it's new. So I set up here as 40% in the first year, in the second, third 30%, and in the third year 30% also. So basically let's do a simple example. I already have one fixed asset that I bought, but let's go through the process and check how we can set up and select this depreciation table in a fixed asset. So let's go now to the fixed asset. Okay, so let's go there and check how we can do this. So explore more, we will go to the fixed asset list, and here I have this fixed asset machine 2, and what I did here, you can see that the fixed asset was already acquired, and what I will do now is just check what I need to select here in order to use this depreciation table. So first is you have to check your depreciation method. Here if you want to use this kind of depreciation, you need to select the type user defined. Then you will inform what is the date that your depreciation will start. You don't need to, or you cannot specify the number of depreciation and also the end date, because this is something that we will take from this depreciation table. So here you can select the depreciation table. So you can see that is the depreciation table units produced that we checked before. And then here you can also say if you want to use like a half-year conversion. Is up to you if you want to. So basically here we have the setup. Just one more thing, just to show you when you use this kind of depreciation, you need to inform the day that you start the depreciation. So let's go here, fixed asset, depreciation books, and then you can see here that I have this field, first user defined depreciation date. So it's something that every time that you use this kind of depreciation, you need to go in this table and specify it. In this case here, the acquisition date for this fixed asset, which was the 1st of January of 22. And what I will do now, as we are in December, I will run the depreciation for 1 year. But you can also calculate this for the first month. Maybe we can do this example, and then you can check. So let's go now, run the depreciation and see how the system uses this kind of depreciation table. So here, let me see. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go to depreciation. So let's do like that. First, let's calculate the depreciation for 1 month, just for us to check. So you need to go here, calculate depreciation. And then you select the depreciation book. What is the date that you want to post this depreciation? So here, let's do this for the first month. Okay. And then let's select here. I think it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. And then you just need to press OK. They will calculate and ask if you want to open the journal. So you can see that the date that I am post is 31 of January. And you can see the value here of the depreciation that was calculated. So to make this more simple, let's run again and calculate this for the first year, just for us to have a better idea about how this works. So let's delete this. Okay, let's delete this other line also. Okay, so now let's go to depreciation again and run for the entire year. So let's go to calculate depreciation, and the only thing that I will change now is my end date, right? So here I will put in 31 of December, and then we can remove this and put 22. Okay, let's run again. Okay. And let's see, 31 of December, and let's check the value. So you can see here that the value is 40,000 because I specify in my depreciation table that I will use like 40% in my first year. So here what I need to do is just post this. Okay. the depreciation was posted. So let's go to the fixed asset and check this from the fixed asset. Okay, so let's open here. Okay, so you can see that we just have 60,000 now. If I click here, you can see the depreciation was posted. Okay, so basically to use this kind of depreciation table is really simple. You just need to check if you can use this based on your tax law. So sometimes you don't need to, or you cannot do this. But this is something that you can check, and if in your country is allowed to do this, you just have to go and create this depreciation table. So here is a way that you can create these tables in Business Central, and also you can assign this with your fixed asset, and he the only thing that you need to consider is that you can use this table like if you have 10 or 20 machines that you want to use the same criteria here, you can do this. You don't need to create one by fixed asset, right? So you can use the same table if the percentage is the same. So please let me know if you have any question. Subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you have related to that. So thank you, and see you next video.